अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हम पोएम दी क्लोज लाइन की एक्सप्लेनेशन के लिए वीडियो बना रहे हैं। एक्सपेक्टेशंस ये हैं कि बच्चों ने ये पोएम पढ़ ली होगी और इसके डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स के मीनिंग निकाल लिए होंगे, और अब इसकी एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करने से पहले हम इसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन ले लेते हैं। तो उसके लिए पहले पढ़ लेते हैं। Hand in hand they dance in a row, hither and thither and to and fro. Flip, flap, flop, and away they go, fluttering creatures as white as snow. Like restive horses they caper and prance, like fairy tale witches they wildly dance. Rounded in front but hollow behind, they shiver and skip in the merry march wind. One I saw dancing excitedly, struggling so wildly till she was free. Then, leaving pegs and clothesline behind her, she flew like a bird, and no one can find her. I saw her gleam like a sail in the sun, flipping and flapping and flopping for fun. Nobody knows where she now can be, hid in a ditch or drowned in the sea. She was my handkerchief not long ago, but she'll never come back to my pocket. I know.